Hello friends, we have here one Canon Pixma printer with P08 error. Now I will show you how to fix it. This error means that we have a lack of ink in the tubes, so I will show you how to fix it. Switch off the printer, then switch it on, and when we are in a ready state, let's wait a couple of seconds. When we are in a ready state, press the service button, then with the plus button click until we see 10, then press the copy button. And now we are waiting for the ink flushing in the tubes. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes. We will wait and see what happens next. And after about 6 or 7 minutes, the process has finished, and now we will see what happened. We will print now a nozzle check pattern. How to print it: press the service button and press the copy button. Now the nozzle check pattern is printing. As you see, there is no error anymore. That's good. And the nozzle check is perfect. Great. So that's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.